In this video, I'm going to let ChatGPT make us two games. Let's go. So for the first game, it should be an easy game. So I just asked ChatGPT to make an easy game in Scratch. Sure, here's a simple Scratch game idea you can easily make. Catch the falling apple. So it's basically just a game where apples fall off from the screen and you have to try catching them. So we needed a basket, and I don't know if Scratch got that in their library. No, they don't. But I know that they have a bowl. Here it is. And we also need an apple, so let's get that real quick. And we also need a background, and I'm just going with the blue sky. Now I start coding the game exactly like ChatGPT said. It was a pretty simple code, and it has some lives and score, and that's basically it. Wait, why is it not coming down? So it turned out that I made something wrong in the code. I added the wrong go to Y position, so I changed that. This is the most boring game I have played in my entire life. I'm so scared. I won't catch the apple. Hooray, I got it. Now on to the next game. I wanted to make it harder than the first one, so I told him to make a medium hard game. This time it was Maze Runner with enemies. So you are a character navigating in a maze, but there is enemies, so you have to avoid them. I started by creating a character, and it was just a basic stickman. Next thing I needed was a maze wall. I don't know how to make mazes, so I just took a maze from Google. After I added it, I just removed some stuff from it, and now I was going to work on the player code. So I started by making some movement and wall collision as ChatGPT said, and it actually worked. Next, I started on making the enemy, which was going to be red and angry. So I did the enemy code as ChatGPT said, and it was actually pretty good. I added 3 enemies to make the game harder and more fun. And then I added the wrong code for the enemy, and I had to remake it into the player code. And I also added some sound effects to make the game better. And I added a flag, which will be the end. Then I started coding a timer and what will happen when we touch the flag. Now I'm finished with the game. I just added some more fixes and now I'm finished. So at first it was pretty hard because you couldn't get through this first one. Then I changed it to make it easier, and on the second one it was pretty hard, but you could actually get through it. On the second try, I got it in 20 seconds, which was very good. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider liking and subscribing, it helps out a lot. Also, if you want to play this game, the link to the game will be in the description.